Hello kids, welcome to the class. So today we are going to learn how to do division of fractions. So before understanding how to do the division, you need to first understand the concept of reciprocal. Reciprocal in simple terms means reverse. That is, you have to reverse the places of numbers in the fraction. For example, if you are given number 2 upon 3, the reciprocal of this fraction will be 3 upon 2. That is, the number in the numerator will go to the denominator and number in the denominator will go to the numerator. Another example I will take 7 upon 4. So the reciprocal of 7 upon 4 will be 4 upon 7. One last example I will take. You have fraction 5 upon 8. So the reciprocal of 5 upon 8 will be 8 upon 5. So why are we learning this term? It is because we will be using this concept in this division of fractions. First question I have taken is 3 divided by 1 upon 4. So what to do? The step that you have to follow in division of fraction is, first you will be writing the first fraction as it is, or first number as it is. You are not going to do anything to that. Now you will change the sign of division into multiplication, and you will do the reciprocal of the second fraction. So here it is 1 upon 4, so the reciprocal will be 4 upon 1. Now you simply have to multiply the two given fractions or numbers. So it will be 3 into 4 upon 1. As you already know, in multiplication you simply have to multiply both numerator and denominators. So since it is 3 into 1 upon 4, that means 3 is alone, that means it is in the numerator, and 1 and 3 into 4. So 3 into 4 whole upon 1 into 1. 3 into 4 gives you 12 upon 1, which is nothing but 12. So the answer for 3 divided by 1 upon 4 will be 12. Now let's take the another question. Same concept it is. So here same steps you have to follow. First you will write this first fraction as it is. Nothing you have to change. Division will change into multiplication, and it will be reciprocal of the other fraction. Now it is 8. 8 means it is 8 upon 1. Okay, so 8 upon 1. So reciprocal of 8 upon 1 will be 1 upon 8. Now simply multiply. 3 into 1 upon 7 into 8. 3 ones are 3. 7 eights are 56. So your answer over here will be 3 upon 56. Now the last question I will take is 1 upon 2 divided by 5 upon 6. So first write 1 upon 2 as it is. Division will become multiplication, and second fraction will turn into the reciprocal. So it will be 5 upon 6 will turn into 6 upon 5. Now here what you observe, 1 upon 2 into 6 upon 5. Here you observe that one number in the numerator and one in the number in the denominator can be cancelled. That is, they both are going in one single table, which is 2. So here 2 goes in 2's table and 6 goes in 2's table. So you can directly cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Now who all are left? 1 upon 1 into 3 upon 5. So what will be the answer? 3 upon 5. So answer will be 3 upon 5. Hope you have understood this concept. If yes, then please subscribe to my channel. Meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.